Hey there, we're back again with Jane's Stampin' Up! Workshop. I'm going to show you about our catalogs right now. So we have two catalogs with Stampin' Up! This is the one, the annual catalog. It runs from June of 2018 to 2019. So starting this summer we'll have a new catalog, but this is our current catalog right here. And this is our Occasions catalog, which also runs until the summer. We also, right now, are running a Celebration special. Now, I'm going to tell you more about Celebration in another video, so I'm going to put these catalogs aside. And we're just going to, right now, look a little bit at our Stampin' Up! Catalog. So, you can see when you open it up, they start out, they tell you a little bit about our color line that are exclusive to Stampin' Up! You can only get these colors with Stampin' Up! We have some kits here in the front. Kits are a great way to start stamping. If you've never stamped before, you might not know where to start. And in another video, I'm going to give you some of the basics that would be really good, things that every stamper or paper crafter needs. But kits are a great way to start. So you see here's some kits that have everything in there that you need. So the beginning is all of our kits. This one's great if you're into calligraphy or hand lettering. And there's a planner. So anyway, we've got our kits there. Now the Tea Room Suite is the one I am featuring for my workshop. So I'm going to tell you more about that one later. The middle part of the catalog is all our rubber stamps. And you can see it's not just a catalog, it's an idea book too. You see how they show you the stamp and they show you some creative ways to use it. So every page you're going to find lots of different ideas, different ways that you can use the products in here. And they also give you some color ideas because, you know, I'm kind of notorious at being bad at choosing color. Color is very difficult for me until I learned, you know, took a class on color and learned more about the color wheel. So sometimes I'll just flip through and I might find something, maybe I say, oh, I love that one, and I love those colors, I can put these colors together. And even if I'm not making that same project, it gives me some inspiration, some ideas for how to put my colors together. And it also gives you some ideas that you can kind of copy. So maybe you love this idea, but you don't have this particular set. Maybe you have one at home that's similar. Well, you can do the same thing, just do it with what you have. So that's why I love this catalog. It gives you so many ideas. Now I'm going to flip through pretty quickly. You can look through this if you have your own catalog, or you can download our catalog online for free, and I will show you where to do so. So I'm just flipping through real quick because I want to get toward the back. So we have lots of stamps, lots of sweets, and they're all gorgeous and wonderful. And we're getting up, yep, we're getting toward the back here. Now, here's our accessories on page 181. And this shows you about our in-color line. The in-color line only runs for 2 years each. And this is our current one. This will be available this year and next year. This color suite here will be retiring this coming June. These are our regular collections. This is our neutrals collection. And you see, one of the great things about Stampin' Up! Is they all match. So we have, say you like Mary Merlot, it comes in their stamp pad, and you get an ink refill to refill your stamp pad. You can also use this with other crafts as well. And cardstock. And we also have here in a little bit you'll see some ribbon and things that coordinate with these colors. The great thing is that you will never feel, if you go to the craft store and say you get a red, this red is going to be different than another red, and so your things will never match. Stampin' Up! Solves that problem because our color lines, we have 4 color families. There's the neutrals, brights, subtles, and regals. And everything in this color line will match. If you get the marker, it's going to match your cardstock, it's going to match your ink, and everything. So here's our designer series papers, and again, these all coordinate too. And it's great because they tell you at the bottom, let me see if I can zoom in here a little. Yeah, here we go. It tells you what colors coordinate with those particular papers. So if you're looking to start out, you already know what's going to match. And they also have a quick start. This is a pack, say, that goes with the Tranquil Textures. It's these 3 colors of cardstock. So if you grab that, it's already going to match. So they make it easy for us. Here are some of our accessories, and these are the packaging. Here's some Memories and More. So if you're a scrapbooker, this is your section. And the Memories and More card pack, I'm going to show you that later. We also have some embellishments here, so lots of embellishments. And here's our ribbon. Notice all the ribbon is going to coordinate and match exactly. And some coloring tools. I'm going to have another video all about coloring tools, because coloring tools are really important when you're a crafter or an artist. Stampin' Blends markers are our alcohol markers. And here's a bunch of accessories. And you're going to be seeing me use a lot of these different products as we go through this workshop. So I'm just kind of giving you a rundown. Now here's the Big Shot. I'm going to show you all about the Big Shot as well. And the great thing about our Big Shot dies is they coordinate to stamp sets. And many of them you can buy in bundles. These are our embossing folders. Now, just for hosts on page 226, if you host your own workshop, you have access to these host-only sets. You can only get these if you host a workshop. And then here's the index in the back. So that's the way they set up the catalog. And this is our occasions catalog. It's basically stamp sets and kits. They don't really have many accessories because they didn't want to duplicate what's in here. That is our catalog. Now, I'm going to run over here real quick. I'm going to zoom over here and show you. This is Stampin' Up's website. So if you decide you would like to place an order for my workshop, this is how you're going to go about doing it. You notice up here there's a Find a Demonstrator. You don't need to worry about those right now. So you're going to go to stampinup.com and click over here on Shop. Now Shop is going to take you, whoops, did I see it? It's right up there. I think I lost it there. There it goes. So Shop. So it's going to take you, it's going to tell you about Celebration, which I'll detail in another video. Now if you look right down here on this side, you've got all of these different things. There's your Big Shot, if you want adhesives, all of these are right here. And let's see, there's also, if I can find it, here it is, right here, it says Catalogs. We're going to click on Catalogs. So when you come over here, you will see here's Stampin' Up's annual catalog. Here's the Occasions catalog, and they're the Celebration catalogs. Now, the prices there are for your hard copy. If you would like to have your own copy on hand, I prefer that because I like to flip through, even I go through my back issues looking for ideas. But you can also just click on it if you want to look at it for free on your computer or on your tablet or your phone. Now, you'll notice it says view the PDF for free here. So if you click there, it's going to download it for you. And it'll come up as a PDF on your screen, and it might take a minute because it's a pretty big file. Here it comes, zipping across now. And so now, see, you can look through the exact same catalog for free online. That's where you get your catalog, okay? So let's come back over here, and you can shop. So you can sign in or create your account, and you can start shopping. You can also shop from here. Maybe you want a kit. So let's just click on one of these kits and say we'll just say this kit. So what you would do is you can come down and at quantity, add to bag, and you can keep on shopping. You can also find products right up here by clicking search, and you can type in the item number by clicking there too. So there's a few different ways you can shop, and all of our things are listed right along there. Okay, that gives you a rundown of it. If you have any questions at all, please let me know. You can email me, you can PM me on Facebook. I will have all my contact information on the workshop site. So, and you'll also need to put in, when you check out, you will put in the host code for my workshops, and that will give me credit for the order. So if you put in your host code, then I'll know that was from you. And I will put that host code in the video link and also on the event page for my workshop. So I hope that gives you some really good ideas and you've figured out how you're going to shop. And now we're going to do the fun part. Now you get to see some of these products in action. You get to see me play with them, and I'm going to create some really beautiful examples and ideas for you that you can try at home.